Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ZENPOP box unboxing video. Obviously one of my favorite videos to film. Let's just get right into the unboxing. So, ooh, anniversary. Oh, yeah, I remember seeing an email coming out about how it is the birthday of ZENPOP, 3 years. Oh, happy birthday, man. I feel like I've been ordering ZENPOP box for quite a long time. Don't know if it's quite 3 years, but I definitely think it's over 2 years. Okay, so this is the November box. Oh, Sumiko Gurashi, I love it. Okay, I think I'm gonna love this box for sure. I love the Sumiko range. Sumiko Bakery Pack. Alright, I'm excited for this. So, okay, we've got pencil here. Alright, obviously I'm not gonna sharpen the pencil and use it, but I mean, you can kind of see the design is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then you have all these lids you can use with them as well. I love the variety. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh. Okay, very biased because I love Sumiko. I mean, I guess if you did like a Sanrio line also, I'd be just as happy, but Sumiko as well. Sanex. I think Sumiko's from the Sanex line if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Sanex. As a kid, I always got Sanex and Sanrio mixed up. I still don't even know if they report to the same company, like head company or what, but yeah. I'm excited for this. Oh, and I just saw this picture. They've got like little holes at the top of the lids in case your pen is super sharp, then it can go through without damaging the lid. We'll have a little notebook. Ooh, so cute. And there's two types of paper in here. So you've got the front page cover sort of paper, and then you've got like them all lined up with snacks or little bento boxes. So cute. Sorry, I'm going to say that a lot and it might get annoying in this video, but it's the truth. And then we have a bunch of bakery pan bread. This is Tobias's favorite thing to buy every time we go back to Japan. He like raids all the bakeries. He's a big bread lover. And then, oh, okay, I thought this was a bookmark, but it looks like it's a bookmark with some post-it note in it as well. And it's Sanrio, so it's cinnamon roll. I remember going to the cinnamon roll cafe. I loved how cute all the food was. A little disappointed with the service though, but I probably still go back just because the food was so cute. Okay, so it's like a magnetic bookmark, but at the same time you have this little post-it note that you can pull out. That's so cool. I mean, how versatile is that? That's amazing. Definitely going to be keeping this and using it. Okay, we've got washi tape. I'll do that at the end. Oh my gosh, look! Erasers! Ah, so cute. So you got a big bun eraser, and then you've got like little character erasers in there. I don't think I'm going to use these erasers. They're a bit too adorable to use. I don't even know if I'll take it out of the box. I kind of like it being in this box. To me, these are kind of like collectible items. I still have like cute character erasers I kept when I was like 5 or 6 years old because I used to collect Sanrio stationery when I was that age, and I still have stuff that I wouldn't want to use. I just love looking at them, and I still have them. So they're like really great memories for me. So we have a Zig art liner. I'll try this out, but I know it's going to be great because I already use pens like this, just not this particular shade. We have another pen here from Pentel. Okay, I love, oh my gosh, it's a custom Pentel pen with ZENPOP. That is so cool. I've never seen something like this before. Alright, super, super excited to try this one. And then we have little stamps. So you've got little bread stamp, bubble tea stamp, sandwich stamp, cupcake stamp. You know what? Let's try this out as well. When we try out the pens, we'll try the stamp out. And then the last one is a washi tape. I don't know how clear it is, but it looks like... Okay, literally I'm thinking Pikachu, and it is Pikachu because right now I'm playing a lot of Pokemon Go, and there's a Halloween special going on, so you capture Pikachu in like this little ghost costume, and it's just cute because you can see Pikachu in various forms, but baked goods. Oh. So it's kind of like Sumiko Gurashi Bakery, but some other characters as well, mixed in, all bakery related. And I also just noticed there's something stuck on the lid, which is, it's their character, their mascot, in a sticker form. So cute. Okay, let's go try out those pens and stamps. Okay, so the first one is the Kuretake. Is it Kuretake. I always wonder if I get it right. Kuretake Zig liner. It's kind of like the Tombow liners, to be honest. If you're used to that, then I think it's very similar. This is in Scarlet Red. And I'm just gonna fix the focus so it doesn't like go insane, like, yeah, follow me. So you've got a thicker end and a thinner end. So let's do, ooh, okay. It's not quite brush tip, but it's squeaking a lot for some reason. I wonder if it's just my paper. It's not really a brush tip as it is kind of like a felt tip. But then again, Tombows aren't brush tips either. And then you've got a finer tip end, which is like more marker. Yeah, same color saturation, but a little bit more control over how you use it. Very, very saturated. But we'll check the bleed through at the end. So then the next one, I'm so excited. I think this is a ballpoint pen. This is a Pentel pen custom for ZENPOP box. I'm pretty sure it's to celebrate their 3-year anniversary, and it is 0.7, so it's definitely a little bit on the thicker side. So, oh no, is it? Oops, I can't spell because I'm getting so mesmerized by the pen. It is ballpoint, but I think maybe because it is 0.7, it feels like there's more color and saturation. I mean, Pentel is a perfect brand because it writes really well, very smooth. Yeah, it's really nice. And I mean, like, I'm definitely going to use it, but sparingly because it's kind of like a collectible item for me now. And then last one we want to try are the stamps. So I'm just going to go through and try each of them. So how does this work? Okay, I think it's the other way around. So you got to kind of twist them. Okay, they twist them a little bit because they've got kind of grooves. So we've got the cupcake. Let me try and make sure I get it the right size. That's so cute. Yeah, it's a little bit of a twist to get them out. Then we've got the sandwich. Oh, really easy to put down. I know it's because it's new, so it still is quite easy, but yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you can notice it, but there's got like kind of like these grooves in there, so it helps you lock them in. So we've got bubble tea, kind of wonky sided bubble tea. And then the last one is bun, which is a piece of toast bread. Actually so cute. Like it a lot. Cool. All right, let's see what the bleed through is like. Not bad. Definitely some shadow through coming in. Tiny bit of bleed through where there's a little bit of inkiness coming through. The stamps definitely bleed through a bit more. Kind of suspected this would be the case for the darker colors. It just always tends to be the case with stamps. But overall, pretty good. So yeah, that is everything in November 2019 ZENPOP box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this box. I especially just love the theme. It's my favorite theme to date so far. Oh, and if you are interested in signing up for ZENPOP box, then make sure to check out, I have a coupon code down below, A Beautiful Fable, that gives you a discount if you're a first-time ZENPOP box purchaser. I don't get anything for it. It's purely for you guys to enjoy the love of ZENPOP. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.